Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, you were given the instructions to list all the factors and the first 5 multiples of 2 different numbers. I will call on people to give me 1 factor when it's time for factors, or I will call on people to give me 1 multiple when it's time for multiples. Hopefully you have them, otherwise you will be sad. We're going to start with the number 64. We're going to start by listing all of the factors. When I call on a person, they will tell me 1 factor of the number, so you probably want to be the first or the second to make it the easiest for you. You have divisibility rules you could use. You have a multiplication chart you could use. But here we go. Oh, that's the wrong class. Darn it, I have the wrong class pulled up. Load and edit list, class 1. Caitlin, give me 1 factor of 64.
1 times 2.
Okay? So 1 is a factor of 64. I just want 1. Nixon, give me another factor.
8 times 8.
So 8. This time we're not doing the factor pairs. We're just listing the factors themselves. Easton, well, we're going to get all of them anyway. Every factor pair, both the numbers are part of
11.
Factors. 11 and what?
6.
Yeah, we're on 64. Jaden. 32. And you can always use these clues to help you find the other number in the factor pair. William. There's really one of the easiest ones still there. Okay, 2. And he knows 2 without having to do any multiplication or division because his divisibility rules say if a number is an even number, it is divisible. It is a factor of every even number. Alina. Go for the easy one. I want a factor of 64. We have 1, 8, 32, 2. Good. 64. 64 is a factor of 64 because 64 divides evenly into 64. Landry. Are there more? I think 16. All right. If I'm not doing the math, so if you disagree, speak now or forever hold your peace. Segal. Do you know of any others? No? Lily, are there any others? Are you saying no as in no there aren't, or no as a question? Shh. Zach.
4.
4. Reed, any others? You stole yours? Okay, I've got to write you up for stealing things. Yeah. All right, so we have 1 times 64, 2 times 32, 4 times 16. 5 wouldn't be it. 6 wouldn't be it because 6 times, well, because it's not a multiple of 3, so 6 can't be it. Any others? If you think of any others at home, please comment in the videos. All right, now we're on the number. Oh, now we're on the 5 multiples. First 5 multiples of 64. Serenity.
11.
No, multiples of 64. We did remember yesterday we shaded in all of the multiples of 3 and shaded in all of the multiples of 6 that were under 100. Start with the easiest one. 64, because 64 times 1 is 64. Second multiple of 64. Ava. Come on, you all had time to do this.
Oh my God.
No. Zach, the second multiple of 64.
128.
128. That's 64 times 2. No, we need to be able to know this. Brantley, the third.
192.
192. Speak up if they're wrong, because I ain't doing the math.
That's wrong. That's wrong.
That's wrong?
No, I got 192. Oh wait, never mind now.
Okay. That's 1, 2, 3. The fourth multiple, Oren. These should be on your paper or on your dry erase board. You have plenty of time.
255.
256. And the fifth multiple, Kira.
That would be 312.
312.
I got 320. I got 320.
320? Well, let's 1, 2, 3. Let's do 64 times 5. We'll make sure 4 times 5 is a 0. So, yes, it is 320. That's all right. We're moving in the right direction. I'm going to pause it now so that when we do 66, I don't have to wait for people to go, I don't know what a multiple is. So I'll pause it. All right, we're back. We're going to do the factors of 66. Samuel, the first factor of 66 that you want to list.
1.
1. It's a good place to start. If you're the first person called, it's the easiest. Even the second person called is easy. Liam, a factor of 66.
11.
11. Garvin, a factor of 66. 2. Reed, a factor of 66. 6. Bryn, a factor of 66. 66. Tristan, a factor of 66.
11. 11.
11's up.
Oh. 33.
33. Maxwell, a factor of 66.
22.
22. Grace, a factor of 66. We can use our factor pairs to think about it. Do we have to have 1 times something equals 66? 4. Yes. I'm writing up there, so if you think we're wrong, you better speak up.
3.
3. Carter, you just gave me 3, sorry. John. Think of these. Think of my factor pairs. So listen real quick. We know 1 times something equals 66. We know 11 times something equals 66. We know 2 times something equals 66. We know 6 times something equals 66. So if you don't see the matching one up there, can't think of it. Rose Nixon.
I don't think 4 is a factor. No.
You don't think 4?
No.
All right.
It doesn't have this pair.
Okay, doesn't have a pair.
Oh.
Are there any others? Are there any others for 66? We have 1 times 66, 2 times 33. What times 22? 3 times 22. 6 times 11. Okay, any other pairs that we missed? Zach, you got one? No? All right. Let's do the first 5 multiples of 66. Caitlin, the first one. 66. Didn't you get the first one for the multiples of 64 too? Oh, you're lucky. Landry. 132. William. The third multiple of 66. 198. Fourth multiple, Maxwell.
262.
262.
It's I object.
264. These should be on your paper. Nixon, the last one.
330.
330. Now, please know that factors are limited on the numbers there are. There are a set number of factors. Multiples go on forever. Multiples will go on forever, just so you're aware. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. Save the bees, please subscribe.